Can Trump prevent TikTok from being banned? Trump could also order his Justice Department to refrain from enforcing the law, essentially rendering it toothless and nullifying its power. In the Supreme Court oral arguments last week, Solicitor General Elizabeth Prelogar acknowledged that the president has the discretion to do so. But she also said that if ByteDance or third-party providers continue to operate TikTok in the U.S., they would be violating the law, which would make them susceptible to future enforcement. Kate Ruane, director of the Free Expression Project at the Center for Democracy and Technology, voiced a similar sentiment. Even if President Trump and the incoming Attorney General say, "I will not be enforcing this law," there would still be significant legal risk for the companies to which the law applies that they may not be willing to take on, she says. Because should the decision ever change, they could be subject to significant penalties. Bruce Randall Donald, a computer science and math professor at Duke University, predicts that most companies who could feasibly provide TikTok services may instead choose to play it safe. If they're not in compliance for at least some period of time, there's a vulnerability there, with a market cap and shareholder situation, that would be actually somewhat dangerous, he says. So while there are several loopholes for users to remain on TikTok, strong disincentives will likely lead to a steep decline in terms of platform experience. Government intervention, meanwhile, seems increasingly distant. So unless something drastically unexpected occurs in the next week, creators would be wise to search for a replacement platform.